And tonight, as streets start to flood around the Low Country, we wanted to see how people were preparing and what they can still do to keep water out of their homes.
And News 2's Matt Alba has been out in the rain all night. He's been talking with business owners and residents about the preparations. Matt, joining us live downtown Charleston, stormwater crews actually filling sandbags for whomever wants them. Matt, what's it like out there right now?
Hey, good evening, Brendan. Well, it's getting pretty bad. It's coming down. Right now, we're standing underneath I-26, and these stormwater crews, they've been filling hundreds of bags of sand for whoever wants them. Now, these guys have been working tirelessly for hours. They're going to be working tirelessly throughout the night, filling these bags up for whoever wants them. Now, again, we're underneath I-26. This is on Milford Street. It's 2150 Milford Street, and we don't encourage anyone to get out of their cars, or into their cars, rather, and come out onto these roads. But if you do, they will be here, and you can come get bags of sand to protect your home. Now, earlier tonight, we talked to some business owners down on King Street who are already taking advantage of these bags, looking to protect their stores.
In downtown Charleston, some businesses close shop for the weekend and are making an extra effort to keep floodwaters out.
As a business owner, I can understand protect your investment.
Empty streets and some wet feet was the scene on King Street Friday night as heavy rains started to soak the holy city. As emergency responders get ready for what could be a very busy weekend, some businesses say they'll stay open, but if flooding gets severe, they too will close their doors.
That would be an executive decision, and obviously just for the safety of all of our employees and also the guests that would be in this area, we would take the precautionary measures in that sense.
Earlier in the day on Friday, officials with the Charleston County Emergency Management Department urged residents to stay inside and off the roads this weekend if possible.
Be careful when they go out. If they don't have to go out, it's probably a good idea just to stay off the roads because the heavier rains are coming in tomorrow through Sunday.
Authorities say the Charleston County Alert Mode is still at OPCON 4, meaning there is the possibility of an emergency or disaster situation that may require a partial or full activation of the Charleston County Emergency Operations Center.
If the road is barricaded off because there's water across it, please don't move the barricades and drive through it anyway. The saying is don't drown, turn around. So if the road is flooded, there's no reason for you to go through there.
And while police will do their best to keep cars off flooded roads, Charleston Stormwater crews are doing their best to keep water out of homes. Crews are filling thousands of bags of sand throughout the night as we wait to see what Joaquin will do.
Now, again, we're down here on Milford Street, and these guys are going to be working throughout the night. These bags are free, and you can come get them if you want to. Now, just a few minutes ago, as we were doing our intro to this story, Charleston police officers were here, and they were actually getting some bags for some elderly residents who can't make it out themselves. They say you can call them if you can't get out of your home, but if you're going to come down here, definitely be careful. We'll have live coverage throughout the weekend and extended newscast tomorrow from 6 to 8 p.m. So, we'll let you know what's going on out here all weekend. But right now, we'll send it back to you guys in the studio. I'm Matt Alba, live in downtown Charleston for News 2.
Okay, thank you, Matt.